Have you got sensitive skin? Don't tell me your struggles. I already know it, okay? Even मेरी skin भी काफ़ी sensitive है. I keep trying new products for you guys. Some of them are just woo, and some of them are just. So these other type का products do a lot of destruction on my skin. I've got a little bit of a situation going on my forehead area and a little bit of thing going on here on the cheeks. So that's why I thought it's a great time to make a video on sensitive skincare and what are the best suited products for sensitive skin type and how is it that you can include them in your skincare routine. So while I was looking for the best products for sensitive skin type, Bioderma sent me their products from Bioderma SensiBio range. This was recently launched in India specifically for the sensitive skin type, and this is for the first time when French skincare is available at such an affordable price. So we'll talk about them just in a minute, but before that, how do you recognize that you've got sensitive skin type? If you're someone who's confused whether I have sensitive skin type or not, let me tell you, do not need any test for it. Your skin always has some or the other issue going on. It could be redness, itching, rashes, or maybe very easy to get sunburn. So that's just the basic characteristic of sensitive skin type. अगर आपको ये सारे issues लगते हैं, then welcome to the sensitive skin world. You've got sensitive skin, my friend. So if you're someone who loves wearing makeup but you have sensitive skin, then do not worry, I've got you covered as well. And if you're someone who likes DIYs also along with the products, I have one sweet little simple DIY which is going to be amazing for your skin type. So what's the delay for? Let's get started. And first thing first, let's change into something comfortable. And here we go. So as you can see, I've got full face of makeup. Like it's not a glam makeup, but I've got more than what I usually do, especially for this video because I wanted to show you how effectively they work. So I've got some nice winged eyeliner, lipstick, blue smoky eyes, which is going to be difficult to remove. So let's just test these out. So I'll be starting with a double cleanse with Bioderma SensiBio H2O, and I'm pretty sure you must have seen this product all over the internet, and I've already used half of this bottle. I'm gonna take a few drops on my makeup removing sheet and I'm gonna be pressing it on my makeup for a few seconds, and after a few seconds I will simply wipe it off. And as you can see, it does amazing job at removing this intense blue smoky eyes. Now why do I recommend it for sensitive skin type? The SensiBio H2O from Bioderma, it's amazing. It has got pH of 5.5, which is wonderful for maintaining your skin's health. This SensiBio H2O does amazing job at removing makeup. This micellar water is perfect for using as a double cleanse method. This is also a non-rinse cleanser. So for the days when you're feeling lazy, I think this should be your go-to makeup remover or go-to face cleanser. So sensitive skin type and love makeup, go for this SensiBio H2O. It's wonderful. It cleanses your skin from impurities and pollution as well. So use it twice, maybe morning and an evening, and you're good to go. This one does an amazing job at cleaning or soothing your skin without creating any issues of redness. So sensitive skin type, removing makeup, it can be troublesome. Make sure you try this one out. Now the step 2 of skincare routine for sensitive skin type would be a face wash. Or if you're feeling fancy, you can call it Bioderma SensiBio Gel Mousse. That's how you pronounce it in French. Now I'm going to take this gel face wash on my hands. I've used quite a lot of quantity and I've loved it for how amazingly gentle and mild it is on my skin. Now this one is just an advanced version of what we did in step 1, or you can call it the second step of our double cleansing routine. This one's basically a no-fuss face cleanser for sensitive skin type because it has got amazing attributes, I would say. Number 1, it is soap-free. Number 2, it is unfragranced. Number 3, it's non-comedogenic. So all these 3 are the labels which you should actually look out for when buying products for the sensitive skin type. And Bioderma has got you covered. So I have been using this face wash for quite a month now and I've consumed almost half of the tube of it. And guys, it's wonderful. It has amazing skin hydrating properties. And unlike other harsh chemical-based cleansers available in the market, it does not leave your skin dry. It leaves a very comfortable feeling on your face once you wash your face with this cleanser. Now, as I promised a DIY, so I'll be using Bioderma SensiBio Toner for this cute little DIY. You'll need some pure organic honey for the days when your skin is feeling extra red or inflamed or irritated. To honey, you will add Bioderma's toner, which has wonderful soothing and moisturizing properties. So that's what I'm gonna add to this honey. Just mix it well and your DIY is ready. So I'll be adding my cotton pads to this mixture and then I will apply or put it on the areas where I feel my skin gets a little more irritated or it's more red. So generally for me, it's my cheeks area and my foreheads. That's where I see most of the issue. Or if you want, you can just mix up your sheet mask and apply it all over your face if you see excessive redness. I have some remaining mixture. I'm going to apply it all over my face and relax for some time. Now after some time, which is like 10 to 12 minutes, I'll be all relaxed. I'm going to remove these cotton pads from my face, and it's amazing. If you try it out, you will see amazingly hydrated, glowing skin after this wonderful DIY. Do try it out and let me know what you feel about it. Now, once you wash your face and pat it dry, you will see a lot of reduction in redness or inflammation on your skin. If you feel that your skin is generally very stretchy, I highly recommend including this toner in your skincare on daily basis. This face toner from Bioderma, it's soothing, it's moisturizing, and it is wonderful when it comes to increasing the efficacy of skincare products. So this is a wonderful addition in the sensitive skincare routine because it will improve the efficacy of the skincare products that you're going to apply next. And even if you don't go for a detailed skincare routine, this really makes your skin plump. This has a very watery texture. Again, it's non-comedogenic. This is also a non-rinse toner, and this does not have any fragrance. Now the last step of your skincare routine would be of adding a moisturizer. You can use the moisturizer from the same range of Bioderma, but I have this one for dry skin, so I use that. I'm gonna leave a few suggestions in the description box below, so you can go for any moisturizer which is suitable for your skin type in the sensitive version, of course. So as I said, I'm gonna be leaving all the links in description box below about every product I talked about. That will be in description box below. And if you've loved this video, do not forget to hit the like button. That will mean a lot to me. Also, if you've been trying any of these products, do let me know your feedback. It can help a lot of people out. And on this very note, I'm gonna sign off. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.